It's Alex. I'm here with Lyndon in the MG Midget and we're off to Malvern to start the Greenleaves classic car tour. I keep calling it Greenleaves classic tour. It's 102 miles starting at Morgan's in Malvern and we're ending up at a golf course in, what is it, Droitwich? And there's 2 stops on the way where we're going to be having tea and cake, and the final stop, I think we get a meal, don't we? Yeah. A barbecue. Lyndon went for a test drive to Malvern yesterday and the midget's performing really well, so touch wood, I'm touching my head, don't touch the steering wheel. Everything will be okay. Taking a picture of me filming them. Look at that great big thing. We've just been into the Morgan's visitor centre and had a nice sausage roll and a cup of tea. This is a well-known race car apparently. I'm not into racing or anything. Lyndon got excited about seeing Tok. You can hear a few engines started up over here. It's a little Healy, is it? I can never tell the difference between a Healy and a Midget. Yeah, looks like a few of them are setting off already. Jensen. Hopefully we'll get to look around these a bit better at the end. MG V8. Lots of new shiny Morgans parked on the grass. And a couple in this random shed. These are brand new, look, 22 plates. Private plate on that one. This is Matt's car. Matt that does all the vapour blasting and does my rover badges and stuff. Wow, this is his toy. Bear in mind, this is not a race that we're on. It's just a little road drive. But this car looks like it's kitted out for a full-on rally, you know. They've even got headphones on inside. You've got all these cool classic cars doing the event. And then there's someone doing it in a modern BMW 1 Series. We're following an MGB. I think it's a TR6. And a Mini in front of that. We're car number 8. I don't remember how many there is. 30, Lyndon says. 35 on the list. bit like cheating because we're just sort of following this lot. Right, hairpin right. There you go. We got Hillman Avenger behind us. What it says, Bert's Morton Court. Don't know where it is. 0.7 of a mile. We done that one. No, 0.7 a mile. We're coming up to a junction. We're going to go left. Signposted Burt Street. Still haven't seen the medieval house. Here it is, that's it in there. That's a church. But in there somewhere is the Burt Morton Court. Can't really see it from the road. And it's not one of our stops. But it's somewhere to visit in the future. marshal to sign our little form. So they're here, or we're here, shall I say. Here we are at Clive's Fruit Farm. This gentleman's got a set of Blockley tyres on his MG, like the ones I just put on Jessie.
Which one are you seeing?
Here's an example for you. This little Healy Sprite
That's what I like about
is pretty much what we've been in, on those little tiny narrow lanes. And this great big Rolls Royce has been doing the same route on those little tiny lanes, which is great. And this Humber, that Humber's quite a big car. It's a big cock. Hey. Oh, he's pecking my camera. How rude.